How to enable or disable parental control on Microsoft 11. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your task manager. You can also use the shortcut keys in order to open it up. The shortcut keys are Control, Shift and Escape. You just have to press them and task manager will open up. After task manager opens up, this is how it will appear. For some of you, these services might be on top, but some of you might see it on the left hand side panel. Simply open up services, and under services you will have to search for WPC Mon SVC. So this is what you have to search for. Search for it in the services. After that, right click on it, then select the option of stop. After that, you need to right click on it again. After that, open up the services. Select the option of open services, and there you need to search for parental control or control parental. Simply search for this option and then right click on it. After you find it up, then select the option of properties, and in properties you would be able to find the option of the startup type. Simply select it, and after that select the option of disabled. After that, you need to apply the changes, and this way you would be able to disable the parental control. After that, click on OK and you would be able to see the changes, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.